Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox one of the best affordable off-roader, the Dacia or the Renault Duster, and this model is by Solido. The model is nicely detailed, but only two front doors are openable on this model, which is okay considering the price of 5400 rupees. And I bought this model from scaleartsin.com, so if you want to buy this, I'll provide the link in the description of this video. So if you're not already subscribed to our channel for more videos like this, and you can also follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles for daily updates. So let's get started. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.